Hey guys, well it's time to start another Caps 101 video. This one is about medium caps. So just as it sounds, medium caps sit right between skinny and fat caps. Depending on how you spray from the wall, you're going to get either thin lines or medium lines. Medium caps can kind of go either way. You're not going to get super duper skinny lines with them or anything, and you're not going to get super fat lines either. You're kind of sitting right there between. Anyway, so here are a couple medium caps for examples. We have the Moltow Blue Dot Soft Cap. With medium caps, you start to see kind of a softer effect. You get kind of softer sprays with these medium caps, and I will demonstrate that in a second. But here's the Moltow Blue Dot Cap. And another cap that I like to use is the Moltow Level 3 cap, and that is also considered a medium cap. It has kind of the slender top, it's a darker green, and you have the black tip on there. All right, let's see what these things do. All right, so I'm here outside of my studio. Look at that beautiful sun. Beautiful sun. Anyway, so I bought this board to practice on. You should probably do the same if you're practicing. Anyway, so here is the Montana Level 3 cap. It's a nice medium cap there. All right, we're gonna see what this does. So be sure to keep the can vertical to the wall when you spray. There's one big thing to know to do. Also, clear your cap before you start like I just did. So you see you get much fatter lines than you would with a skinny cap here. All right, let's get some thinner lines. So a little closer to the wall, faster movements, but you can see it's a little bit drippier than it would be with a skinny cap. So now let's try a fatter spray so I can kind of show you how dusty it is. Look at that beautiful dusty spray there. The further you are away from the wall, the dustier your effect will be. So here I'm showing you if you go closer to the wall. No matter how lightly you spray, you're still going to get a little drippiness because it is a medium cap. So here's the Moltow Blue Dot Cap. Now let's see how this one sprays. This one has an even dustier effect, so we're going to try the dots first, just so I can show you. And so another thing about can control that you need to know is the lighter you press on your cap and exactly where you have your finger on the cap will make a difference on about how it sprays. So that last dot that I did was a little bit too hard. Yeah, you get a nice dusty line there, but if you go a little bit faster, you can get a sharper line. Not super sharp, but just sharp enough sometimes. It all depends on what you're working on. So there is a lot of overspray with these as well. So if you're trying not to get overspray on another part of your piece, then I wouldn't use this cap. But yeah, it's very good for blending, very good for portraits. I definitely recommend it. Also, if you're practicing spray paint and you'd like to share some of that with me, go ahead and DM me on Instagram or on Facebook. I'd be happy to give you some extra helpful tips if you're interested. I'll talk to you later. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope you got something valuable out of this video. I know that it was super short and I didn't explain it super thoroughly, so if you have any questions, please feel free to put those in the comments below. Also be sure to click that notification bell so you can be notified when I drop my next cap video. It will be posting tomorrow, but I'm not really sure what time it will be, so the notification bell will be super helpful. Now, as always, remember to stay peaceful, as a calm mind is a creative mind. Now go get inspired, be an influence, and make something beautiful today. Peace. I swear, almost every time I say cap video, it sounds like I'm saying cat video. I'm not talking about cat videos. Caps, nozzles, spray can stuff. Although I really like cat videos. If you'd like to share some with me, put those in the comments below too. Bye guys.